Yes, abusuanti Asante Kotoko trip no. And na me catch you say Nana Penkra insist say they will not add any player be any Kotoko player to play the game. Now apparently no, and no call na a call Washington DC. Now the Ghanaian embassy na Washington. Omo enso busa home office for say yen go for you be ball. Event na chase na no say the abrante governor catch you no say o ma chase. Ni pompo so pa ye game na ye be ball. Still e be see na ye free fia ye say ye nya visa. I want to be ball. So what is going on? Nana Pinka Kwesiwa ene Asante Kotoko players no a meeting before first batch boss no air kono.
Yeah.
He held a meeting with the players and assured them say so much TBC say na medium players be join it. Na omo ko go for academy for bia join it. We Kotoko player no what is asem ni bia book to go baby. And happen
in the statement what one so says assurance organizers in their man say or visitors no beba by China no ama a total boycott.
Eti na nwumri ya ekosi China. Asante Kotoko at the list at the US Embassy or Lord Amoa. Patrick Esiedu, Andrews Intimenu, Michael Chi Jamana, Dauda Saka, Peter Amidu Aqua, Baba Yahaya, Fatau Muhammad, Albert Amoa, any surplus in our list no edaho, plus other team officials. Our more chain, Sir Asante Kotoko. Ebenya sa visas na manipa 10 ya beka plus other team officials na organizers na ammo assurance no na penkra enkofo ebusa say Kotoko kokra na osi o woni obi na ya ade nipa woni etu SK yina Kotoko kapre ni osimu ni kan matwa ticket ama mo ni kan omo maka na ba be duru waka chen say I me di kan kora kona say omo maka na ma ball me boy nyi na ya establish say Kotoko Frederick Asare e Blasters camp. Eti goalkeeper Fatau Muhammad second choice third choice goalkeeper no ono ni din eka less na e twen no nya sa Kamara pe na e goalkeeper o ka trip no omoko eti omo ade Fatau Muhammad din ade amomo a omo expect se free na ko si kina omo ebenya visas na Kabiru yenwa play no me Asante Kotoko team manager.
For Mumbra, Munjani, Akoma 87.9 FM on Facebook. Bra, never had it. Okay, play Numni.
Yes.
Wow. Asante boys.
Kotoko team manager.
Oh, nice.
And the Henry Ohinibrinya.
Former captain.
Yes, Ohinibrinya any Dikai. And the opportunity play my boy Manolenchi, Samban Dongani, and so anyway. On one kata player back when him. Enti we inside flight now. Omo ede ekono na abujapanyi no kwasem wom ene se Asante Kotoko ekono omo amfa jesi anko
o apasin ju obisa was it the latest
Asante Kotoko amfa jesi anko dabi
and wo se munchemu ne say
in fact Kotoko ebe special jesi for this game.
Okay, but Kotoko set
Kotoko jesi no special one designed for this particular
Washington DC game no
eti Kabiru fa jesi no 2 page so efa emame na o say the Kings Club Asante Kotoko Sporting Club DC United versus Asante Kotoko. Eti Justice in Kukuble ejesi a se ball no pass over she no. Yes,
we nan kam mediama boys o mo age numbers bay.
No, me say no na something that IMC did not consider until let's not discuss. No, they were never going to accept it. But Nana Penkra be so more questions say the mediama player no asha Kotoko jesi say why jesi number na emfa no.
Okay, tell the president who
come here kono see kono say problem ekosi a no obi ko pra na ye ntino
why the prayer no
that proposal it mediama asem no between the GFA and mediama for no and one Asante Kotoko company for no they did not consider it and Kotoko first batch na ekono mediama player bianca ho
mediama for no say the SNO
mediama player bianca ho oh only abranche din komo na enya say omo na ye omo debate they felt that of course ebzapani obi obenya opportunity entering US enya cost to be anywhere obe rejected. Again, the FA had postponed their game. Or match as they postponed their mom. And for me, they stand to lose nothing. If omu players na join a trip no ekoba. Makacho se unya America no koba mienu koba no apie na se dachi o san apply so person ko tena kuru mu mpa omo ewo adwene se obetimi atena because we obi a wako wura mu di emra no so wapie e aba eti Kotoko Jesse a omo be for game no omo ko airport no bi na mu Jesse we no omo da bi e kina bi mbaba ntom de baba bi mu baba
na so omo ama Jesse kura bi ni o
oh so omo ama ball na ma so based on statement ya o kan ye there
yes
Asante Kotoko official statement they say so omo kana nya visa ameka ho a bono emma so na nya za na okan ka kire nti na na penkra ama firm assurance at the man fans they say
also it is important to note that our continued participation depends on the successful performance of the organizers assurance and a total boycott from the match should we be unsuccessful in securing visas for the rest of the contingent.
Enti no kwaseme wo me say Asante Kotoko akana asem say omunya visas ne ma other members of the contingent actually they will boycott the game. I think it ends there. She say the pressure is on the organizers.
Yes.
But me, I am surprised that at their event widely publicized obianim last year mediama for coin obienu a odwane obia was condemned waka say last year mama visas obi dwane eti if the Ghana Tourism Authority any ministry no omo ya de nyina no e good record with the American embassy. I'm surprised abedu last minute say now still afena ye last minute and Yoma trying to get the visas. Of course, Asante Kotoko almost stands near clear. Says omo enya visas do omo pe I bet mama mbobo na bona emaso. E kana aba no Kotoko ezikanim. E ka ebeba no se ba match na Amazon Kotoko ezikanim. And no branch na friend ka say ticket range between $25 and $100. And nipa to bebrebe. Ah omo twen. Ye checks about 38 to 40,000 tickets already bought by not Ghanaians in DC United supporters and so on person be game no enti yenhwe enne kosi kira dem benye munwa say etwa so say ya ebia ye be how it goes but I think that organizers no afeli omo say afei by this time and omo ye last minute nyoma to get visas omo afeli omo
enti ye hwe Asante Kotoko team no first contingent no edikan na statement a omo dia ba MC ni kire mu a omo ko because omo pese omo ne organizers no ese omo commiserate nemum se base omo second contingent na ntimi amadia ene game no mombo